Quite a combination here. We have a few hundred washers of all different sizes. We have lots of different bolts. Some of them I don't think's been used. We have several hose clamps. Several hose clamps. We have lots of U-bolts. Some of these are brass now. We got, like I say, several. There's lots of, it's all different sizes. We got insulators. We've got things for tractors, duals, and things. These are for bush hogs, I think, to clamp on bush hog blades. These are John Deere pieces here. We've got category 1, category 2, 3 points. We've got hooks,